This is the second recording where we would like to show that WhatsApp is not being seen in any of the contact list. Whereas we can see here the Telegram is visible. He is very much, Mr. Adhi, he is very much on WhatsApp also. We are receiving his messages also. But at the same time, only the Telegram is being shown, WhatsApp is not being shown. This kind of the illegal activity has been done. See the same thing here, the Telegram is being shown but not WhatsApp. See, WhatsApp is not being shown. See, WhatsApp is not being shown. So WhatsApp is not allowing me to function efficiently and effectively. It has done earlier. It has removed me from the various groups which were created by me. It is not delivering my messages on broadcast. It has imposed one artificial condition that my number should have been saved in their address book. It is atrocious on their part. Whenever I am trying to form a new group, or when I am trying to do something, some activities, when I am trying to send my own videos, they are immediately blocking me and account is being suspended. I have really saved the screenshot which I would like to show you as an evidence. See here, WhatsApp will review your account and devise information to check for the activity that has not follow our term of service. I am creating my own videos. I am sharing those videos with the people. What is the terms of condition? They are violative of their own terms and condition, and they should give the heavy compensation for blocking my activity. This account can no longer use the WhatsApp due to spam. What kind of the spam it is? I am not sending the message of someone else. I am sending my own videos created by me. I myself is Maithili Saran Gupta, retired IPS officer, former DGP. I had been DGP Railway, DGP Home Guard, Civil Defence, Disaster Management and SDRF, and DGP Police Reform. I am senior officers of 1984 batch. It is highly objectionable that for no reason they are treating as a spam. My identity, now we can see this. Now we can see from here, this is account is no longer in use. It is a grossly illegal activity on the part of the WhatsApp to block my functioning. It is atrocious to do it time and again. I am taking all screenshots of your illegal activities to file a suit in the Supreme Court of India for a compensation to the tune of 100 million rupees. It may kindly be treated as a legal notice. Regards, Maithili Saran Gupta, IPS retired, former Director General of Police Madhya Pradesh, National President of Crime Free Bharat, Crime and Corruption Free Bharat Mission. I would like to add that I am Nodal Officer for National Police Mission for Crime Free Bharat, and I am President of Crime Free Bharat Mission through a registered NGO, Shresh Atmanirbhar Aparad Muktikaran Sanstha. These videos are being recorded as a proof to show the illegal activity by them. Now we can see the another one. There is no negative activity on my part. I am a responsible officer and retired Director General of Police. It is atrocious that WhatsApp is blocking my lawful activity and committing violation of its own term of service. I will be constrained to take legal recourse against WhatsApp with a demand of WhatsApp is equally liable for its own unlawful restraining conduct for no adequate reasons. I hope good sense should prevail. Request not to resort to such tactics. Regards, Maithili Sengupta, former Director General of Police. Again, we can go for the next different set. Now we can go for the another set of this. It is October 27, 2024. It is atrocious to time and again blocking the services to the most responsible person. It is violation of the terms of service by the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is liable for legal consequences. I am going to file a suit against WhatsApp for violating its own terms without any valid reason. Violating its own terms without any valid reasons. Maithili Sengupta, IPS, retired, former Director General of Police, Madhya Pradesh. Now I would like to go about previous details. I have created a file for WhatsApp illegal practices. Now it can be seen that a number of the things has been done. For the third, the three screenshots, they are still under the process. It is of the 3/11/24. The account is no longer in use. WhatsApp due to the spam. There is no adequate reason for that. Again, this is for 26 February. It is a highly objectionable to give the kind of interrupted service. I will be constrained to file a suit against WhatsApp for violating its own service condition. Constrained to file a suit against the WhatsApp. Maithili Sengupta. Now it is of 24. This is also of 24. Now it is the 24th February. I am sending my own videos to Transform Bharat, saying it is a spam, reflect the prejudicial behavior. All your activities are being captured and I will be constrained to file a suit against WhatsApp. Okay. You are temporarily banned from WhatsApp because you may have violated our terms and condition. Now it is of 15. Now we can go. It is of 27th 11. Thank you. I am president of Crime Free Bharat mission and only use my own videos. I do not break any terms of service. I request you not to obstruct lawful use of why time and again WhatsApp is obstructing lawful use of his services. I am a responsible officer of Indian Police Service and former DGP MP. Then now after 27th 11, again on 19th. By the time and again WhatsApp is obstructing lawful use of his service, I am a responsible officer of Indian Police Service DGP Madhya Pradesh. Welcome to you, Jitna. So 19th, objectionable conduct. Again on 19th they have blocked. I request you to review such activities. Activities is arbitrary and objectionable. WhatsApp is liable to be sued. There is no activity. Still, this is being treated against the terms of service. I request you to review. Such activities are arbitrary. This account cannot use WhatsApp. Now 2511. Again account is blocked. 2511. No, I think it's now 30th October. WhatsApp will review your account. Again on 30th, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. What kind of the spam? It is again of the 30th. It is a bad and irresponsible behavior on the part of the WhatsApp. You are blocking the access to my members, terming it violation of terms of service is wrong and irresponsible behavior. Now it is another date. Let me see what is the date. So after 30th, then again on 29th October, the same thing happened. Yeah. Again that is again on 29th October. After 29th, it happened, before 29th, it happened on 26th. This is not. Thanks for your message, your ticket number itna. We are reviewing your issues and will respond as soon as possible. That's what you wrote. I observed that the strange fact that in broadcast group the messages have been sent from my side, but they are not being delivered to the recipient. I thanks for your message. With the broadcast list follower, you can send a message to the several contact. Once broadcast list are saved, list of the recipient that you can regularly send broadcast messages to without having to select each time to create a broadcast list. So it happened on 29th, then it happened on 26th. Again the screenshot of the 26th. Then it happened again on 25th. It is for the April 23. It happened then on 21st April. Then it happened on the 21st 4, 21st 4, 21st 4, 21st 4, 21st 4. So it happened on the 21st April 2023 many times. Then let's see. This is again the same thing. It is not showing the date, but that reflect, and each time we are saying that it is a improper part on that. There is no negative activity on our part. It is atrocious. Wrongful is being done by them. Request not to resort with the ticket. Right now, it is atrocious. WhatsApp is liable for the legal consequences. I am going to file a suit against WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is still doing at this. Well, we are disclosing our position, and they are not really behaving properly. I would like to place this on our channel also, so that it is available as a record. WhatsApp support will review your account and device into the check for the activity that does not follow our terms of condition. We are not doing any activities. There is no question of violation of term of service. We are creating for the videos for transforming our Bharat. How with the 21 objective and 5 fundamental right we can transform our Bharat? For that, a mission NGO has been formed, and the WhatsApp is saying and blocking those activity time and again, which is really atrocious, absolutely unlawful, restraining conduct with no adequate reason. So this video is being recorded for the purpose of evidence, and we intend to publish it on our website, on our YouTube channel also. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram, Jai Gurudev.